Hey, it's John. What are you doing? In this video, I'm going to replace the battery in my Craftsman lawnmower. This is a riding lawnmower. This is a 2000. Yeah, this is LT2000. So the battery is dead. I'm certain of it. It's the battery that I've had on here for several years. So we're going to do a quick test just to make sure. Okay, we're reading 2 volts. Yeah, it's definitely dead. Alright, so we'll turn this off and we'll remove the battery. And we'll remove the negative first. Okay, and then we'll remove the positive. And this is a U1 type battery that we just removed. Now we got a new U1 to go in its place. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's the Mighty Max battery. Okay, and it comes with new nuts and bolts. Okay, so we'll put the battery in its place. Okay, we'll remove the covers. Okay, so these bolts aren't going to work with the connector, so I'm going to use the original bolts that came with the lawnmower. Okay, now we got to switch to the 7/16, which is what I originally had in there. Okay, do the same thing to this side. Okay, so we got our cover over top. We'll check the voltage. Okay, we're at 12.49. Now we'll see if we can get it to crank. I don't expect it to start because this thing hasn't run in forever. Okay, so to get it to start, we have to hit this switch that's on the seat. So we'll push that in. Alright, so putting the battery in was a success. I definitely have a different issue now. Put this lid back on. It's some cloudy gas. Might have to get some ether. Okay, now we'll get some ether. Alright, I got a gum out starting fluid. Spray that in here. Yeah. That's pretty awesome. Let's see if we can start it again without ether now. we go. All right, so we're on our way to refurbishing this lawnmower. So we'll get that cover back on.